What is up, Gun Nation? Monday morning ammo grind, guys. I was able to score these 223 55 grain full metal jacket herder boxes of ammo. There's 750 rounds here. Buy it cheap and stack it deep. These are $79.99, and the primers are $9. They have went up in price even at your local sports stores. So you know what? This morning, Monday, is ammo score. I've got a lot of information off of this today. A lot of bad information, actually. This ammo crisis is not going to end anytime soon, guys. Pretty much why I know that is because before, you're allowed 5 boxes of ammo, unless you have a credit card or apply for a credit card, then you're allowed to get 8 boxes per day. But before this, last week, you were allowed to get 1,000 rounds of primers, 1 box at a time, for each type of primer. Today, they're limiting you to only 5. They are breaking it out of the package and giving it to 2 customers per box. So that tells me right now that it's not getting any better out here. And why I said buy it cheap and stack it deep, because it's not going to get any cheaper. In May, it's supposed to go up 10 to 15% on all ammo. All popular manufacturers, pretty much, from what I heard, as well as in May, going up 25% on your reloading components. So buy it now before it gets even pricier, guys. If you can afford it, can find it. Tomorrow I'll have a video up of the unboxing video of the Toro. And later on in the week, I'll make a how to score ammo and how I've been scoring ammo, the techniques and stuff that I've been using. Mostly in-store purchases, but there's some online things as well. I've only done it a few times. I'm not a big fan of ordering and paying now and getting my product later. But always stay in this fight for freedom, guys. Always be prepared for the unknown, and if that day happens, fight like hell and overcome it.